sorry, I'll try to translate any object. So for example, let's say I want to draw an object. Let me set the entire screen. Let's say I want to draw this kind of object. Let's say something like this. I want. Yeah, and let's say I want to translate this object from this place to another place. Fine. So from here I want this object to get translated to, let's say, this point. Let's say here there is one line. Till this line I want to translate this object. फाइन. तो अभी मुझे ऐसा करना है इस प्रोग्राम में कि यहाँ से ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने ड्रॉ किया है उसको मुझे मूव करना है. कहाँ तक मूव करना है? यहाँ पे जो मैंने लाइन ड्रॉ की है वहाँ तक इसको मूव करना है. और ये जैसे ही यहाँ पे टच हो जाए तो इट शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच अगेन. फिर से यहाँ आ जाना चाहिए, वहाँ से फिर मूव होगी टिल दिस लाइन. आर यू गेटिंग दिस कंसेप्ट? दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इन दिस प्रोग्राम.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for this, first we need to draw the object. So can anyone help me to draw the object? You can start from any pixel. Let's say this pixel is 100 for me. Then here, let's say it is 50. Or the next, let me go with 300. It's a rectangle. So 300 and 200. I'm talking about this point. Now what about this point? Can anyone tell me? What about this point?
400, 150.
400, 150. Correct. It could be 400, 150. Then what about these 2 points? Yes.
0, 130.
0, 130. Or if you don't go with 0, then let me go with 10, 20 something, so that it can be visible. 20. And then what about y?
120 or 130.
Correct. You can go with 120 or 130. Correct. What about this point? X would be same, 20.
170, 180.
Correct. Let me go with 180. Yeah, so that's it. And here we need to draw a circle based on this point. Now we know what is the value at this point. At this point the value would be 100, 200, and at this point it is 300, 200. So we can draw circle from that. We need to decide the radius, and accordingly we can draw it. Fine. Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Yeah. So now let's start program for this. Let me include the header files. Turbo C3 and BGL. Now let me draw one rectangle. Rectangle from 100, 100 to 300, 200. This is my rectangle. Then I want to draw a line from. Now I'm talking about this line. I want to draw a line from this point to this 400, 150. So for that I need to know the value of this point, and at this point x value is 300 and y value would be 100. So let me go with 300, 100 to 400, 150. Is it fine? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I want to draw one more line from 400, 150 to 300, 200. So far I have drawn one rectangle and then I have drawn this triangle also. Now I want to draw line from this to this. So for that what I can do, I can draw line from 20, 130 to, or if I don't want to go with line, I can form smaller triangle or smaller rectangle as well. Let me use rectangle. We'll start from 20, 130 to, now for this we need to find this point also. So at this point x value would be 100 and y value would be 180. So I can draw it till 100 and 180. Is it fine? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's run this.
सर व्हील्स तो बनाए नहीं.
Yeah, that we are going to do. So as of now whatever we have done, it seems perfect, but slightly I need to go with 120 here, or else I need to go with 170 here to divide it correctly. Yeah, now it is fine. Then now we need to place two wheels. So for that let me go with circle. Yeah, so for placing this left circle, can anyone tell me what kind of parameters I need to give here? Let's say I'm going with radius of 10, then what kind of parameters I need to give here? X would be same, it is 100. What about y?
Sir 220 something.
Yes, it depends on the radius. If we go with radius 10, then it should be 210. If we go with radius 20, then it should be 220. And let me go with 10. Similarly, let's draw one more circle. Where x value is 300 and y value, let me go with 210. Radius is again 10. If it is too small, then we'll go with 20 also. Yeah, let me go with 20. And now you can see whatever objects we wanted, that same object we have drawn. Is it fine? Any doubts so far?
No doubt, sir.
Great. Now we need to draw this line as well. So let's start with the horizontal with the vertical line. So for this I need to find the pixels. Fine. So here y value could be 0. Let's say we are starting from the beginning, from the parent window. So let's say from here. So here y value will be 0. For x we know that maximum value is 639. So before 639 we can decide any value. So let me do that. Line, I want to draw a line from 639, 0 to, again in y, not, it is not 639, let me go with 620. And for the bottom point also, the x value would be 620 and y value, let's say maximum value for y is 439 something. So let me go with 400. Like this. And you can see. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we'll have to draw the line. We'll have to move this entire object. Can anyone tell me how can I move the entire object? And at the same time,
Translation transformation.
correct. We need to use the translation transformation. So here we know that we want to move this object in horizontal direction only. So for each point, we need to increment any one value. Can anyone tell me which value we should increment for each point?
X.
Correct, X only, because we want this object to be moved from the current position to the recent position, but the movement will be in horizontal direction only. So whenever we move any object in horizontal direction, we know that there will be change in X values only. So for each point, whatever we have placed here, we need to increment the X values by something. So what we can do? Do you know the function which is kbhit? Do you have any idea about this function kbhit?
आपने एक बार बताया था इसके बारे में सर.
Yes.
सर भूल गए.
Yeah. The use of this function is it stands for keyboard hit. Fine. If you want to do something when you press the key, or if you want to do something until you press the key, in that case you can use this function kbhit. So for example, in this case, let's say I want that until and unless I press any key, I want this object to move continuously. तो अभी मैं क्या करने जा रहा हूँ कि यहाँ से जब मैं प्रोग्राम रन करूँगा तो ऑब्जेक्ट मूवमेंट स्टार्ट करेगा. ये जो लाइन है वहाँ पे आके वो फिर से अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन में आ जाएगा, वहाँ से फिर से मूव होगा. Until I press any key, that movement will be in continuous manner. This is what I want to do. So for that, what we can do? We can use the kbhit function like this. We can use while not kbhit. The meaning of this function is until and unless I press any key, this function will execute. While not kbhit. Are you getting this function?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yeah, so इसका मतलब ऐसा हुआ कि अभी जब मैं प्रोग्राम रन करता हूँ तो जब स्टार्ट होगा तो मैं कोई की प्रेस नहीं करता हूँ, तो तब तक मेरा जो while लूप में जो लॉजिक है वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा. As soon as I will press any key from the keyboard, this loop will break and will come out of the loop. This is what we want to do. So now every time what I want, let's say I want to initialize the value. Let me go with every time, let's say I want to increase 1 pixel only. So let me go with I equal to 1 here. Let me define the value of I is 1. Every time I want to increment the, or let me go with 1 pixel only. So let's add this 1 everywhere in all X values. For this line, the X values are these only. Again for this line, see, I am not changing the Y values. If you can notice here, I am just adding something in the X values only because I want to translate the object, and that is 2 in the horizontal direction only. Now for circle, this is the X value, and for this line I don't want to do anything. So what it will do, the value of I would be 1, so for the first time it will be 101. Now once all the objects are getting drawn, we need to increment the value of I, so that second time it can goes to 102, then 103, 104. So it will reach up to this 620. As of now I am not putting any logic so that it can start again, but let me just run this file to explain you whether we are able to do it or not. You can see here it goes until I press any key. Let me run it again. See, still the process is going on, but now I'm pressing the key, so now it is getting out of the program, out of the loop. So far, any doubt?
Sir, वो white क्यों हुए था?
See, here what it does, every time it draws the new object. पहली बार जब लूप में एंट्री होती है तो ये पूरा लॉजिक हमारा एग्जीक्यूट होता है. सो एंटायर ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी ड्रॉन. सेकंड टाइम जब मैं व्हाइल लूप में फिर से जाता हूँ, फिर से वो एक नया ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ करता है. सो यू कैन सी हियर एवरी टाइम इट ड्रॉज द सेम ऑब्जेक्ट after the difference of 1 pixel. Now what we want to clear the previous object. As soon as it draws the new object, we need to clear the previous object. What we can do here, we can use clear device function. Now let me show you. You can see still it goes. Now I'm getting lots of blink here, so I can clear it first so that it gets the time. you will be able to find object more clear. Still, I think we are not giving the delay, that's why.
सर डिले आपी ना
Yes, yes.
सर लास्ट वाले लाइन को भी फोर लूप में रखना जरूरी है।
सर निकल गए।
गुरु ने આવે
Am I audible?
यस सर
Yeah,
यस सर।
I got disconnected. Yeah. Let me start it again. Yeah, what was the questions? Someone was asking something.
अभिषेक पूछ रहा था सर वो लाइन को भी लूप में रखना जरूरी है लास्ट वाली
See, it is up to you. If you don't draw this line in the loop, then it is going to be get clear. Let me just do it. You will come to know. Now, if I draw somewhere around here, let me run this file. You can see it draws the line, but as soon as clear device function is there, it will clear it. So now what we will do, we will draw the same object here. And let me clear it. And at the same time, we are going to use one more function, which is delay. Do you know the use of this function, delay? See, use of this function is it will hold your screen for the mentioned time. So here I can specify the time in millisecond. For example, I want the entire screen to wait for, let's say, half second, so I can go with 500. And for delay, I need to include the header file also. Let me just see whether it works or not. Yeah, it needs header file, and I think it is defined in dos.h if I'm not wrong. Dos or process, I think it is in dos.h. Let me just see. Hello. Huh? No, lecture chale. Yeah, see, the delay is too big. Let me go with 100, and let me use both the functions in the beginning only, because it is getting too much of delayed. Still, if it will not work, we have one more solution.
सर हमें तो आउटपुट ही नहीं दिख रहा
Yeah. See, now the output is perfect. What do you think?
यस सर
So you can see here, originally we can say that object is not getting moved. Fine, we are making people fool. Every time the new object is getting drawn, and it seems that the object is getting moved. Otherwise, object is never moving. In animation also, the same thing is there. The people are doing the same thing. Every time at certain time interval, they are doing the new line. Fine. So until and unless I press any key, this will execute. Now let me make it a little bit faster. Let me go with 50 only to make it too fast. And you can see now. So here still I am not using any logic, so that it will stop as soon as the line will be there, and then we'll start it again. So now I am putting it up to you. I have already given the entire logic. Now it is up to you. You need to write the logic accordingly, so that once the object touches the line, it should start from the scratch again, from the original position. So for that you can use conditions, you can use other loop also if needed. So it is up to you. Fine, or should I do it here only? What do you think?
करिए सर, एक बार आइडिया आ जाए तो फिर।
Sorry?
हाँ करिए सर, एक आइडिया आ जाए तो दूसरे प्रोग्राम से हम लोग करें।
Yeah, see, ultimately in this program, the condition is very simple. So it is better that you try, because see, you know the coordinates of the line. Fine, and every time when the object is getting moved, you are incrementing the x values. Let me just give the enter hint. See, for example, the original value was 100 here. Fine, and for let me just open the pen window. Yeah. See, now you know that you are talking about this point only. You are talking about this point only. इसकी वैल्यू जो एवरी टाइम 1 पिक्सल से आगे जा रही है, तो वो ऐसा होगा कि यहाँ से 401 150, देन 402 150, 403 150, 404 150 अप टू दिस। तो यहाँ पे क्या वैल्यू हो आपको पहले जानना पड़ेगा। कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट कुड बी द वैल्यू एट दिस पॉइंट? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पॉइंट फॉर दिस लाइन।
620.
Yes, x is 620 and y is 150. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so inside this logic only, what you can do, can anyone tell me now what kind of condition I can place and where should I place that condition?
If conditions.
Yeah, that is fine if, but what should I compare here?
सर
I
ऐसा
की
नहीं
वैल्यू
बोला
हम मैच करें।
if max x इक्वल टू ऐसा कुछ?
No, that is not the maximum value. That is not the maximum value for x or y. We are not using the maximum values. Otherwise, we can go for that also.
सर I की वैल्यू के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे।
Correct. You can compare it. See, the original value is 400, and we know that every time it will increment one value. So initially I is 1, then later on it will be 2, then 3, 4, 5. So at the end, what will be the value of I?
620 sir.
620.
620.
No, 620 is not the value of I. It is the
I
overall
की वैल्यू 220।
Yes, correct. The value of I would be 220 only. So we can see that we can compare that if I is greater than or equal to, let's say, 220, then what to do? Then what to do?
सर 220 कैसे जरा समझा दीजिए।
The value of this point is 400 plus I. So initially I is 1 only, and overall value is 620. When it will be 620? If you take the value of I as 220, 400 plus 220.
Yes, sir.
So it would be
समझ
620.
गया sir.
Yeah. So if I is greater than or equal to 220, then what to do?
सर तो फिर I की वैल्यू फिर से 1 हो जाएगी।
We can go with I is
Exit.
1. We can go with I is 1. If value of I is greater than or equal to 220, then it will be again reset. It will be 1. So we'll start the loop again. So again it will go for 101, 102, something like this. Let's see what it does.
सर ये तो बंद ही नहीं होगा।
So we don't want to stop it. That is what I was saying. Until and unless you press any key, it should do. It should go and it should execute the entire process. You can see. And this is what I have asked in the beginning. Until user press any key, you need to move this object, and as soon as the object touches the line, it should start from the original position again. So now it is perfect. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yeah, so if you want to capture it, just do it, because after this I am going to give one or two activities also, very good activities, and if you will put the equal attention, then surely you need to invest your 4 to 5 hours to complete the program. And so if needed, you can capture it. Any doubts so
Okay.
far?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Now, one more thing, what you need to do as a part of activity. If you don't get, then tell me. I'll give the hint, and if you need, then I can perform the program as well. So now let's say this is your screen. You need to start from here. You need to place any circle, any one circle here, and you need to move this circle across the boundary of this screen. So यहाँ से ये circle move होने का start होगा like this. तो यहाँ पे circle आ जाएगा. Then from here it should move in the vertical direction till here. यहाँ से फिर से एक circle draw होगा. And here also. So every time it is not that you need to draw 4 circles. You need to draw only one circle, but you need to move this circle like this. ये circle यहाँ से move करने का start होगा तो यहाँ से horizontal में आएगा, फिर vertical, फिर horizontal, फिर vertical. Until and unless user press any key, you need to move this circle throughout the window boundary. This is what you need to do. Is it fine? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and it's very easy. See, at the same time, you need to increment x value. As soon as you find that particular pixel, you need to increment the y values. From here, you need to decrement the x values, and from here, you need to decrement the y values. And then again, start from the scratch. So it depends on the conditions only. You need to play with the conditions. If you are fine with conditions, then surely you can do it. Fine?
Yes, sir.
One more thing. If you get time in this weekend, then I'm going to give a very interesting task. And if you can do this, then surely you deserve party from me. So for that, let me it's fine, I'm not able to do it now. I'm doing it. See, you need to draw this kind of ladder, and there will be one ball here. समझ गए क्या करना है?
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
You need to start moving this circle or ball from here, and it should go towards here. At the end, you need to move this ball from original position to here. And what you need to do, see, it should be like this. From here, it will be here. फिर यहाँ से again vertical, so your object will be here. यहाँ से again horizontal, so it will be like this. Again here, something like this. So this is what you need to do, like this. And at the end, it should be here. This is very interesting, and if you can do this, then surely I'll give party to you. You deserve party. We can go with online party as well. I don't have any problem. Where there is no need of investment also. Fine?
सर
Yes.
सर ये राउंड हिलना चाहिए कि डायरेक्ट ऐसे ट्रांसफॉर्म होगा?
I am not getting. ये move होना चाहिए जो circle है ना.
ओके ओके.
यहाँ से move होना चाहिए. So let's say I'm moving the circle by getting the difference of 1 pixel. तो यहाँ से 1 पिक्सल आगे वो मूव होना चाहिए, फिर 1 पिक्सल. जैसे हमने डिले दिया तो ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि यहाँ से सर्कल धीरे धीरे मूव होकर यहाँ पे आता है, फिर वहाँ से वर्टिकली मूव होकर यहाँ पे आता है, फिर अगेन हॉरिजॉन्टल. सो सेम सर्कल इज गेटिंग मूव्ड एवरीवेयर लाइक दिस and here. And you need to give the delay also so that it looks that your circle is getting moved. Fine?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
so you can perform these 2 activities to utilize the weekend. Yeah, now let me start one more thing. Today I'm going to discuss one more thing which is also very important. See, now in this example what I'll do, as we were discussing yesterday, let's say this is your circle, and inside this circle there could be more number of lines like this. and we need to rotate each line which is inside the circle. इसके अंदर जो भी लाइन है ये सब लाइन को मुझे रोटेट करनी है, and then we will think about rotating the entire circle also. But in this session what we will do, we will place one circle. Inside the circle we will start putting the line. Let's say first we will discuss about this line only. Let me discuss about this line. So for example, let's say the coordinates of this circle, center is let me go with 200 and radius is, let's say I'm going with 50. So can anyone tell me to draw this kind of object? See, I want to draw the object like this. From center I want to draw this line. Yeah. So what could be the coordinate at this point for this line? This will be 200, 250. Yes or no?
सर सेंटर का जीरो नहीं आएगा?
200, 200. This is the center.
Sir, 200 to 250.
Yeah, and so now I want coordinate of this point. So what will be the value at this point?
250.
250 to 200.
Correct. So ultimately what we will do, see now we know rotation with respect to reference point. तो अभी हमें ऐसा करना है कि यहाँ से ये जो सेंटर है हमारा उसको हमें मूव नहीं करना है, बट आई वांट टू रोटेट दिस लाइन. ये लाइन मुझे ऐसे मूव करनी है थ्रू आउट द सर्कल बाउंड्री. फाइन. So every time we need to move this point only, either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise. It depends on you. So for example, if I am moving this object in anti-clockwise, then I want to find one more angle here, one more new point. So the line would be like this. Then we'll find one more new point. Line would be like this. So something like this. Every time it seems that you are drawing the new line at different angle, and if you will clear the device and if you will put the delay, then it will be treated as we are moving the line across the circle boundary. So simply what we will do, we will try to rotate this point only with this reference point. So we are not going to rotate this point, but we will rotate this point only. Are you getting me what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let's say for us this is the value of x and y. This is xy, and these are the xr and yr. That's it. Now we know the equations to rotate any object with respect to reference point. We can just use those equations and we can do this. Let's implement this. To remove this, I don't need this. As of now, I'm not using even clear device. Now let me just assign the values. As of now, I'm going with static values. Then later on, you can ask user also to give the values. Let me go with the values. X is 250 and y is 200. Yes or no?
200.
Yeah.
Yes.
And let me go with radius also. I'm going with fixed radius, which is 50. You can ask user also. See, you can make this program dynamic. I'm not saying that this is the only way, but to save the time, I'm going with static values. Later on, you can ask user to enter the values, and accordingly, you can put the logic. Now, let me define xr and yr as well. Xr, yr, and let's assign the value. Xr is equal to x, not x, but let me give the value. It's 200. As I said, I'm going with static values, so directly let me give the value, and yr is also 200. Is it fine so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if I draw circle, then I can draw circle from xr yr to radius r, and let me run this file. So your circle is there. Let me increase the radius. I don't want smaller circle. Let me go with 100. Yeah. And if it is 100, then now you can change this value as well. Yes or no? It should be now 300. What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So now let me run this file again. And let me draw line also. I want to draw line from center, which is from xr yr, to I want to draw line to xy. So now you will be able to find that line also, and you can see. Fine. So far, any doubt?
No doubts.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So now we need to rotate the point xy with respect to reference point xr and yr. So we know the equation to rotate any point with respect to reference point. Can anyone tell me what are the equations for reference point? Let me store the new value in x11 and y11. Let me define it here. Yeah, so what are those equations to rotate any point with respect to reference point?
Sir, sir plus x minus xr cos theta
Very good.
minus yr sin theta.
So still we have not taken the angle. We'll have to go with that also. Let me define the angle also. Here only let me define it. Angle is as of now. Can anyone tell me what kind of angle we need to define here? Let's say I'm going with static angle. Let me go with 1. Fine. We will rotate a point at an angle of 1 only. Why? Because see, from here only, initially the point is here. Now I want this point somewhere around here. So let us assume that the angle is 1 only, so that you can get the smooth rotation. Very soon you will be able to understand it. Let me go with angle 1. If you will go with 30, 45, then it will be very fast. And as we know, now we need to convert this angle into degree, and to convert the angle into degree, what we can do? Do you remember that?
Pi by 180.
180.
3.14 by 180. So now angle is converted into degree, and we are using it, and the new value is in x11. Similarly for y11, you can use the equation yr plus x minus xr into sin theta plus y minus yr into cos theta. So what does it mean? I have got the new values x11 and y11. Fine. So if I draw the line from center xr yr to the new point, which is x11 and y11, then surely I'll get the new line. Let me run this file. There, maths.h. You can see at an angle of 1,
Sir,
there
angle
is
વધારી
one.
દો.
No, we are going to clear the previous device or previous object, so it is not an issue. As of now, you will see that we are not able to get the line correctly, but very soon we will clear the previous object, so it will draw only new line, so it is not going to be a problem.
Okay.
Now what we are going to do, see, what we will have to do now, from the new coordinates we will have to, let me explain it again through paint. See, as of now this is what we are doing. ये हमारी पहली लाइन थी. आफ्टर रोटेशन मुझे दूसरी लाइन फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसे मिली. इस पॉइंट को मैंने रोटेट किया और यहाँ पे मुझे नया पॉइंट मिला. अभी हमें क्या करना है, जो नया पॉइंट मिला उसको भी हमें रोटेट करना है at an angle of 1 only, and we will get the new point somewhere around here. फिर जो नया पॉइंट मिलता है उसको हमें रोटेट करना है to get the new value, something like this. So every time we will use the updated coordinates. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So to get the updated coordinates every time inside this loop, can anyone tell me what should I do? What kind of logic is needed? I want to update the value of x and y every time. What should I do now?
Sir,
Increase the
angle
angle.
को increase करना पड़ेगा. Angle.
No, I don't want to increase the angle. This is what I'm saying. I don't want to increase the angle. I want to use the updated value of x and y. तो पहले x y की वैल्यू थी 300 200, इसको मैंने इस इक्वेशन में यूज किया, एंगल अप्लाई किया, तो मुझे कोई नई वैल्यू मिली, वो मिली x11 y11 में। अभी मुझे इस वैल्यू को यूज करना है इस इक्वेशन में, तो क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं?
सर x11 y11 की वैल्यू इंक्रीज करनी पड़ेगी।
See, can I assign the updated value to x and y again? I am going inside the loop, so can I do like this? X is equal to x11 and y is equal to y11. What do you think?
यस सर।
क्या हुआ अभी देखो, x11 और y11 में मुझे नई अपडेटेड वैल्यू मिली, जो वैल्यू मिली उसको मैंने फिर से x और y में असाइन कर दी, ताकि जब दूसरी टाइम लूप में एग्जीक्यूट होने जाएगा तो यहाँ पे वो वैल्यू फाइंड करेगा x की और y की। So now I will get the updated value. Again I will get x11 y11, which is going to be the new value. It will draw the line from center to new value. Whatever new value I am getting, again I am assigning it to x and y. So for next time it will update the value. Are you getting what I am doing here?
सर हम एंगल को अपडेट
Yes.
करके भी
वो
कर
भी
सकते हैं ना?
कर सकते हैं, yes yes. Instead of going with one angle, if you increment angle by 1 every time, then you can use the same coordinates. That also you can do. In that case you need to increment the angle. Fine, so it is up to you. You have both the options. And see, as we are not clearing the previous device, we are not using the delay function, we are not able to see it clearly. Now let me clear the previous object and let me put the delay as well. Delay of, let's say, 100. Mostly I'll not be able to find the circle as well because circle is outside the loop. Yeah, you can see I'm getting line only. The way I want this line to be rotated, I am getting it. Now let me draw circle also. At this only I need to draw circle where the coordinates are xr, yr and r. As it was outside the loop, it was getting cleared. That's why, that was the only reason. Now you can see this is what I wanted. Interesting.
सर एक मिनट
Yes,
वो
sir.
समझा तो x इक्वल टू एक्स आर, और ये कैसे घूम रहा है?
Which one? Which one?
ये सर x इक्वल टू x11 y इक्वल टू y11।
क्या किया देखो, यहाँ पे जो पहला जो हमारा पॉइंट था उसको हमने बोल दिया है कि ये x है और ये y है, ठीक है। पहला जो पॉइंट था वो x एंड y है। इज इट फाइन?
यस सर।
या तो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम ये एक्स वाई को रोटेट करने वाले हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस रेफरेंस पॉइंट, एंड उसके लिए these are the equations. These are the equations. If I want to rotate x and y, then I can use these equations. Now after rotation I have got the new values x11 and y11. तो वो जो नई वैल्यूज हमें मिली है वो यहाँ पे होगी। ये जो दूसरा पॉइंट है वहां पे मुझे x11 मिल गया और y11 मिल गया। तो अभी मुझे क्या करना है, आई वांट टू यूज द सेम इक्वेशंस, आई डोंट वांट टू यूज द न्यू इक्वेशंस एवरी टाइम। जब लूप में अंदर जाएगा तो यहाँ पे तो वो x की वैल्यू लेगा, तो x की लेगा तो वो प्रीवियस वैल्यू है, मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए, मुझे अपडेटेड वैल्यू चाहिए। तो मैंने क्या कर दिया, x11 और y11 में मुझे जो वैल्यू नहीं मिली है उसको मैंने x और y में असाइन कर दिया, ताकि जब वो लूप
और
में
सर
एंट्री, यस
उसके बाद फिर क्लियर डिवाइस हो जाएगा ना पहला x और y के लिए, ऐसा कुछ होगा?
यस यस यस, ये जो पहली लाइन है वो क्लियर हो गई, तो हमें ये दूसरी लाइन मिली यहाँ पे। फिर जब दूसरी लाइन ड्रॉ हो गई, दूसरी लाइन जब ड्रॉ हो गई, देन इट विल वेट फॉर सर्टेन टाइम, विल गो अगेन। दूसरी लाइन क्लियर हो गई, लेकिन एज सुन एज इट क्लियर्स द सेकंड लाइन, इट विल गिव द थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट एज वेल। तो अभी क्या होगा कि जो नई वैल्यू है उसके हिसाब से फिर नई दो वैल्यू मिली, वहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ की, वो जो नई वैल्यू मिली वो फिर से हमने एक्स वाई में असाइन कर दी, फिर से वही यहाँ पे हम यूज करने वाले हैं। So every time we are just updating the value, we are just assigning the value to update the original values. That's it. Is it fine?
यस सर, समझ गया।
Yeah. So now you can see if I run this file, then it gives the perfect output. Now quickly, I'll take 2 to 3 minutes only. See now what I'm going to do. Instead of this, I want one
सर
more line
जी
here.
वो स्मिथ
Yes.
बाहर खड़ा है, उसको वेटिंग लॉबी से अंदर ले लीजिए.
Okay. See now I am talking about this second line from center to this point. So can anyone tell me what could be the value at this point?
सर 100 समथिंग.
Yes, 100. And what about y?
150 था
200.
सर.
Oh, it's 200 because center is 200. यहाँ पे रेडियस 100 है तो वो 100 डिडक्ट हो गई तो x की वैल्यू 100. We are not changing the y value, so y is 200. So it is 100 200. Fine.
यस सर.
या तो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं कि यहाँ पे जो 100 200 हमें नई वैल्यू मिली उसको हम लाइन में ड्रॉ करेंगे और उसको भी यहाँ पे हम असाइन करेंगे. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्स वाई नाउ लेट मी गो विथ वन मोर वैल्यू. लेट्स से x1 is 200 and y1 is 100. So now I'm going to rotate x1 y1 with respect to same reference point x or y, but instead of x and y now the new values are x1 y1. So we for this new point we'll have to do the entire process again. तो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं, यहाँ पे हम एक और लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. लाइन फ्रॉम x r y r to x1 y1 and let's try to find the new value x22. Can anyone tell me what could be the equation? xr plus what? This is very important. xr plus what I should write here?
x1 minus xr.
Correct. x1 minus xr into cos theta minus y1 minus yr into sin theta. And similarly for y22 you can go with yr plus x1 minus xr into sin theta plus y1 minus yr into cos theta. That's it. We have got the new values for the second point. Just draw the line from center to new point, which is from
सर
xr
ये
yr.
एंगल वाला इक्वेशन आपने कल के लेक्चर में सिखाया है?
नो, कल हमने प्रैक्टिकल देखा था, उसके अगले सेशन में हमने ये रेफरेंस पॉइंट वाला देख लिया था. दिस वन.
ओके सर.
Then line xr or yr, I want to draw a new line to x22 and y22, and again I'll update the value. जो नई वैल्यू मिलती है उसको हम x1 और y1 में असाइन कर देंगे. Now I hope are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
y2 is y22. That's it. And delay is also there. So now I hope it should work. Let me run this file. Yeah, I need to define the new variables x22 and y22. x1 y2 is there. Why x1 y2? It is x1 y1. What is going on?
सर x1 y1 दोनों 100 200 ऑलरेडी है.
Yeah. See. But still, this is not the line which I was looking for. If you can notice here, yes or no?
स्ट्रेट होनी थी ना सर.
Yes. So why?
Right.
What is the reason? Why I'm not getting straight line? What is the reason? Let me just put the entire code into comment. Let's run this file again. See. Why? What is the reason? See what y values I
Sir,
have taken.
x1 y1 की value.
Yes, that is what the problem. See, what is the y1? For both the point, y value must be same
100.
because the line is horizontal. So instead of 100, it should be
200.
200.
200.
200. Correct. Now let me run this file. Still, what is the problem?
वो 200 है x1 भी, उसको 100 करना पड़ेगा.
100, sir.
Yeah, it is the center. 200 is center, so this I need to go with 100. Fine. Now that's it. Let's put the things outside the comment. And that's it. Fine. So now again, as a part of activity, what you can do, just think about the third line. We have already completed 2. Now you need to draw the third line like this. Perform the same thing, then draw fourth line, perform the same thing, then fifth and sixth, seventh and eighth. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
The logic is very same. You need to just assign the value here and then perform the same logic. Every time you need to use the same logic. This one. Swap the value. Use the equation to rotate the object at reference point and assign the value. So this is what I have done for 2 points or 2 lines. You can do it for the remaining points or remaining lines. Let me save this file so that if you can not do it, we can discuss it later on. Yeah. Fine. Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Then just try to perform the activities which I have given. For translation, I have given 2 activities. You can move the circle throughout the window boundary, and then you can move the circle to the ladder. And in rotation, you can do this also. You can complete this program where the remaining lines are there. Fine. So that's it. I am done for today. Still, if you have any